Hi everybody, Prairie Wife here from prairiewifeandheels.com with a spring trunk club unboxing. For those of you that aren't familiar with Trunk Club, it's kind of like that whole Stitch Fix concept, except for this comes from Nordstrom and the Nordstrom stylist. There's still a $25 styling fee, which you get to credit towards any of your purchases. There's a quiz that you take online, and what I love about Trunk Club is you actually get to preview the items that your stylist is sending to you, so you can be like, oh no, I really don't like that. You have to be careful though, because this is, for me at least, all about pushing myself a little bit out of my comfort zone. So a lot of times, even in the preview, if I'm like, ooh, I don't know, I keep it anyway, and more often than not, my stylist, Madison, is right, and I end up loving it. Now, this is Nordstrom, and you can pick your price points, but it is definitely pricier than Stitch Fix. Let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Same thing, try before you buy, return it. For me, these stylist boxes are all about just kind of plumping my wardrobe up a little bit. So just because something fits doesn't mean that I have to keep it. And with Trunk Club, there's no discount for what you keep. So you gotta be brutal. Am I really gonna wear this? Do I really love it? Those are the questions you need to ask yourself. All right, so every box comes with price points and a letter from my stylist. So Madison says, hope you're doing good. She's seeing some great new spring trends. She's got some fun color pieces for me to wear. And I said that it was okay for her to add more pieces, stuff that wasn't in the preview, so she did. I did ask for some more work geared items because now that I'm part-time working mom at the radio station, which I love and I'm excited about, I am trying to kind of up it a little bit. Yeah, I still kind of wear the holy jeans rocker mom vibe, but I have business meetings sometimes where I want to make a good impression, so I needed a pair of black ankle length slim trousers. Tall order. Hopefully the ones Madison put in here are gonna fit me. All right, so unlike Stitch Fix, everything in Trunk Club is in individual bags right here, and you guys, I'm so excited. Look, not one, but 2 pairs of shoes to try. Okay, looking at the price points in here, it seems like the most expensive item is $164. That would be one of the pairs of shoes, and it looks like the cheapest item is $59. Like I said, this is Nordstrom, this is an investment, and I've done really good at not shopping anywhere else unless I have, like, you know, something I need, like a sports bra or new underwear, and using these boxes to update my wardrobe. So let's try some of this stuff on. Everything I'm wearing right now is out of the box. So first we have, I think it's Nick and Zoe size 4 ankle pants. They're a little bit big on me, but that's probably okay. I do not want something that's super tight for work. I like where they hit, especially with these adorable cutout heels. Look at these, and they are suede, in case you can't tell, and really comfortable actually for how high the heel is. And of course, Prairie Wife and Heels, I'm a heel girl anyway, but I am totally digging these. I feel like they would go with everything, and I don't have a pair of shoes like that, so shoes a win. I like the cut on these trousers. I think they fit well. I think they lay well. They're not too low, not too high, super cute. I would never have picked out this color in a store for a cardigan if I saw it. It has orange in it, and while I love the color orange, it usually makes me look kind of weird, but this is leaning like towards blood orange, almost a corally color, and I really like it. All right, peplum top. I really wanted this to work because I love the style. It's kind of that like boho hippie chic. This is a medium. I feel like even if I got a large, it might fit a little bit better, but regular readers know I have sleeve issues. These aren't gonna work for me. Even if I got a large, it still wouldn't work right. Like, I love the whole concept. I love the idea of it. I wanted it to work because it would be so cute with skinny jeans. But even if I pull the sleeves up, not working. Shoes love, pants are good. I'm excited to see the other fit of the black pants and kind of compare versus cost. This top, no, cardigan, super soft, great fun color for spring. We've got some wins here. Let's try on some more stuff. I'm wearing the navy and cream pencil skirt and the pink wrap top. Well, I don't know. Looking at it in the video camera, maybe I would wear these two together. It's not so shabby. The pencil skirt, I love that it's lined. It's by J. Crew, so it's high quality. It's actually embroidered polka dots. Problem is this is a size 4 and it's just too big on me. I would definitely need to return it for a smaller size, which I have done with Trunk Club before. Super easy. You return it with all the other stuff, or if you have a Nordstrom nearby, you can return it there. So if I did love this enough, I would definitely, I mean, you can see like, it's just way too big. It just doesn't fit right, which that's a good problem to have. Adorable though. I really like the length on it. I think if it was a little bit tighter of a fit, like this would definitely be perfect for work. You could wear it with sweaters, you could wear it with a cute little v-neck t-shirt. So cute. Let's talk about this top. First of all, I forgot to mention before, I'm just wearing like a lace white bandeau bra. It just is easier for these kind of try-on things. I freaking love this top. It like feeds the inner wanted to be a ballerina when I grew up, little girl in me, between the pretty ballet pink and the way it wraps. It just reminds me of a dancer's top. If I wanted to be more modest, I could wear a tank top under it just to make sure nothing was showing, wear it with high-waisted pants. But I like how you can make sure like how tight it is, so you don't do it so tight that like you have muffin top, but you can kind of have a nice line. Love, 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 love this sweater. Cute skirt, just obviously, like I said, too big. If I got it, I would need a size smaller, but I really do like the length on it, and the polka dots still work for work, but they have like a little bit of whimsy. Oh, I put on the same shoes that I was wearing before because I feel like when you're trying on a trouser, you definitely need to have shoes with it. This is the Liverpool trouser, and then this is just one of the other tops that was in there. You guys can see everything there. I can't keep track of all of it in my mind. I kind of like the fit of this trouser better. It's a little bit higher cut, higher waist than the other one, a little bit thicker of a fabric, and it has some stretch to it, which the other ones didn't. And then I kind of like that it tapers at the bottom. I just really like the fit on this a little bit better. It's a little more slim cut, and I don't know, I just really like these pants, and I do like it as a belt loop, so if you do want to add like a punch of color with a belt, you can. So the other black trousers were great, but if I had to pick between the two, which I do because of the cost, I like these ones because of the higher cut and a little bit of a slimmer fit, and they do have real pockets. This top, I wish the other one fit like this. I like the length of the sleeves on it. It has a little bit longer of a length here to go with the peplum. I think this is super cute. It's a little low cut for me. I would definitely probably wear like a straight across bandeau bra with it or a tank top under it, but I really like the color. I think it's fun, and I could see even throwing a sweater over it and wearing it with skinny jeans and knee-high boots this time of year when in Wyoming it's still snowing and cold. So love the color on the top, like the peplum. It's a little flirty and fun, and like I said, I just really like the slimmer and higher waisted cut on these pants. So I think we have some dresses to try on now and one more pair of shoes. I'm wearing one of the dresses from the box and the other pair of shoes that are in there. So I saw a picture of these shoes and I was like, whoa, because they're not really my style. I like things to either be like flip-floppy or in the back, not this like kind of weird middle hybrid. Looking at them, I still feel kind of the same way. They're not my favorite. And I love like boho chic. I kind of, you know, like that flowy pink top that had the peplum. I feel like this is more Hausfrau from the 1970s than boho chic. Just me, I know, great colors, no go on this. Let's try another dress on. This is what I mean when I say boho chic. I was so excited when I saw that Madison put this dress in the trunk. I was just fingers crossed. I just loved it, loved the colors, loved the big floral theme and the flowiness of it, and it does not disappoint. I really like that it's longer, but then it has kind of that like peekaboo, there it is, peekaboo slip there, so you can kind of do what you want with it when you move. You could wear it with booties, you can wear it with open-toed shoes like the ones that, or closed-toed shoes like the ones that were in the box. Love the colors, love the fit. It's loose enough where it's comfortable, but it still is figure flattering. I love this dress. It just makes me want to like prance around a field. I don't know how I feel about this shirt dress. I want to be a shirt dress person. I think they're adorable. I understand that some of the issues with this is the pleating from when it was like folded and in the bag. I really like the color. I think it's amazingly fun that it's not like a skinny belt. It's this big fat one. I think it's adorable, that part of it. Really good length. I did try like rolling up the sleeves to see if that would kind of make it a better look. No, this one is definitely better with the sleeves down. I know I have one button open. It's because it was taking me like 20 hours to get it buttoned in again, and I just wasn't going for it. I think the shirt dress is cute. I just have concerns about what it's gonna look like with wash and wear, and but I really do love the big belt. Like, I think that's a great touch on it. Okay, let's go back and review everything. Whew, okay, that was a lot of stuff to try on. Did you see like my hair getting crazier and crazier with each thing I tried on? Okay, so Trunk Club, unlike Stitch Fix, there is no discount at all for how many items you keep, all of them, 4 of them, whatever, which I actually like because it takes the pressure off. I'm just like, nope, nope, yes, 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 yes. That being said, there are 2 pieces in that box that I would, well, 3 pieces I would like to hear from you. First of all, the black suede shoes, so comfortable, perfect heel height. Keeping these ones. Investment piece to be sure, but I will get a lot of use out of them. This dress was obviously just my happy, keeping that one. These black pants were exactly what I wanted, and that's what I want to say too. With the Nordstrom Trunk Club stylist, these Nordstrom stylists know their stuff, and I've had Madison now for every box. She knows my fit. She listened exactly to what I wanted. Slim black ankle trousers, gave me 2 different kinds to try from. I ended up liking these ones the best because of the higher cut and a little slimmer fit. Once again, this just made my heart happy. The pink color, the fit of it, it was adorable. I can't wait to wear it. The 2.5 things. The shirt dress, I'm just leaning more towards no. I feel like it just wasn't something that will wash and wear well for me and my lifestyle. 5 kids, working mom, living in the middle of nowhere, Wyoming. My sister though would freaking love this dress. So filing that away for Christmas. Same with those cream shoes. They were okay, but for that cost, I gotta love them and want to wear them all the time. These are the ones I'm not sure about. They were cute. The color makes me happy, especially for spring, but really for the cost, help me out. What do you think? Yes, no, maybe so. Do it if you love them. No to the hausfrau dress. I don't need 2 pairs of black pants, so that was another no. The pencil skirt, I know the fit was just too big of a size, but I do know that I probably won't get as much use out of this as I would that dress or those black pants, so probably gonna send that back. And this, I wanted to love it, Madison. I wanted to love it. It just didn't work with my long gangly arms and long waist, and I just feel like a large wouldn't do it for me either. So maybe for the summer one, we can find something like this. All in all, Trunk Club, it's all about trying new things, getting a couple key pieces. Remember, it is Nordstrom, so the price points are gonna be higher than Stitch Fix, but in my experience, those Trunk Club stylists, they're a cut above the rest. All right, make sure you stop by prairiewifeandheels.com for more great content, and say it with me, lead a life of grit and grace, sass and style.